What would I tell to someone in active addiction? Don't let your judgments of something that you've never tried before get in the way of you having a different and beautiful life.
I know and understand how hard it is and how scary it is to decide to want help. But if you get to the point where you wake up and you want to find help, there is help out there. No matter how helpless and hopeless it feels, there is somebody waiting for you to come home.
Seek and find connection. No matter what it takes, no matter how far you have to go, connection is the thing that's going to ultimately drive you back into the arms of the people who love you.
The other side is way better than they could even imagine. Things that they've never thought about, things that they could never even comprehend could be their dream, could be, their life. The people that they're going to meet, the places they're going to go are just absolutely incredible. Just give recovery one chance. They can absolutely change their life for the better.
You are worth it. Please go get the help that you need. We will take you with open arms, and we want you to succeed.
Something that we do at Amen Clinics is we do brain scans called SPECT. And when I had my brain scan last year, it really revealed to me the damage that alcohol was doing to my brain because of my alcoholism over 26 years. So I would recommend that someone goes and gets a scan like this. And once they have that brain scan on their hands, it really helps them to make a decision to change and get the treatment that they require.
When I was in active addiction, I was a people pleaser by nature. And I was always trying to give everybody else advice, but I couldn't look internally and help myself out. So just learn to focus on yourself and learn that you can't help anybody else out if you can't help yourself.
Sometimes asking for help is the hardest part, but once you do, you'll find out that there's lots of people that will help you. There's lots of resources out there. There's hope. Don't give up on yourself and know that you deserve it.
And I understand you're going through an awful lot right now, but this is not the way that you really are going to be able to get yourself in a better place. There's help everywhere, and I highly recommend that you try to take a look at it. It's not going to be forever that you're going to have to be in pain, but you're going to be able to have the joy and the happiness that doesn't require you to have to hide inside of a bottle somewhere. There's another way to go, and you've got it in you. You've got a lot to give. Don't give up.
When you're not doing well, you have a tendency to push people away and think you don't deserve it, but you deserve help. You deserve the best care. Let people help you.
As somebody who has had my own struggles with mental health and addiction, there is 1,000% hope on the other side, and you don't have to do it alone.
Keep in mind that the greatest lie of addiction and of mental health struggles is that you are the only person in the entire world who feels the way that you're feeling right now. And I want you to know that that is indeed a lie, that there is so many of us out here who understand, who can relate, and who can empathize with that struggle, who've been through that struggle, walked through the fire, and come out on the other side. There's people here to support you in that journey, and you're not alone.
Get into the middle of the herd and let us help you. Let us show you that you're loved, that you are worth it.